One of the apps that I use, because so many people ask the question, how you've been posting all these videos, not posting the videos, but like posting a lot of shorts. They were saying videos, but I understand they were talking about the shorts. You know how you posting all these shorts 2 and 3 times a day and then posting these videos 3 times a day. I was telling them, Opus clips. I think I got to post it up on top. Let me see. Yeah, Opus clips. I got it pinned to the top. Opus clips is the app that I use. And if you want to go through this little thing that I'm about to show you, click on that. It's free. I tell you, the stuff I'm using is free, but I paid for Opus clips. But Opus clips have a paid version and a free version. If you want to understand how it works, you have some videos on YouTube. I'm going to give you a minute. We're going to go walk through this together. Go to your YouTube channel. Get one of your videos. Don't matter what video it is. Don't get a short. Get a long form video. Click on the share. Click on the share and click copy. Copy. You're going to share it. Copy the URL of that video. So go to the YouTube page. You already know how to do this, but I'm gonna tell it slowly. Go to the YouTube page or channel. Get any video, a long form video, just as an example. It's free. Go there, get the share button or click on the share button, copy the URL, then open up the Opus clips. All right? Put this on the stage. Where we at? Let me show you my dashboard. Let you know I have it. This is my dashboard. See my head over here? Yeah, that's me. Yeah. These are the stuff that I have on there already. You saw some of the videos? Cool. Now, just want to show you this part right here. It's the calendar. On the calendar, that's just this month, November. Into next month. I ain't going to go all the way to the next month. I ain't going December, November, December, January, February, all of that. I'm letting you know. You can schedule the videos on Opus clips. Free clips. All right? So click on it. Get free clips. When you click on it, what's going to happen? It might take 5 minutes. It might take 3 minutes, depending on how long your video is. But once it's finished, where do we at? Let me close this. Oh, you didn't see it. Oh man, see, I gotta do that over again. Wait a minute. Click on free clips. When you click on free clips, it's gonna show something different. But when I click on free clips, like I was talking, look up here. These are the minutes that I have because I got the paid version. Since I have the paid version, if I click on here, it's going to take, make this small. If I click on here, it's going to take 13 credits from here because the video is almost 13 minutes. But when you click on here, let me see. When you click on here, click on it. If you're doing this, click on there. You're going to see something on the bottom right here. This is mine. On the bottom, it's going to show you, okay, it's loading. It's loading. But before you do that, and before you even click on the clips, this is what's going to happen. AI clipping. Or don't clip. You can say AI clipping is going to clip the best parts of your videos. You can have it either at 30 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds, 60 to 80 seconds or 90 seconds, 90 seconds or 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It's up to you. Right now, if you're doing shorts for YouTube, this is not just for YouTube, but if you're doing shorts for YouTube, you can do 90 seconds to 3 minutes, 60 to 90 seconds, and 30 to 59 seconds. I would do 60 to 90 seconds, and depending on the video that you have, 90 to 3 minutes. That's what you can do on YouTube now. All of these, you can get into that later on. But you can also say, okay, I want a specific area in my video that I want somebody to check out. It might just be, okay, your topic, somebody lying and it ain't God. I can type in there, somebody lying and it ain't God. Every time I say that, they'll make a clip, a short clip of that specific area. 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, up to 3 minutes. Whatever I choose up there is the clip length. It'll find that area in that video and make clips of that. So when you finish doing that, you can even say, okay, I don't want to do the whole 13-minute video. I want to do 5 minutes of that video. Or maybe I just want to do from 3 minutes or 4 minutes of the video, because the first 4 minutes of the video, you might not like it. So you do first 4 minutes of the video all the way till near the end. It's only 7 minutes or 7 credits. Since it's only 7 credits, and you still got the stuff in there, it's going to make the videos of what you say. And these are the things that are the styles that it can make. Let me see if I can make it bigger. Yep. These are styles of the videos it can make with the words, the captions on the bottom. And look, it automatically does this for you. It does it automatically for you. You see how the words come up with different letters? Different colors? It automatically does it for you. Even if you're doing like a live and you up top on your phone, it splits it for you. They got Mr. Beast closed captions. Not only Mr. Beast, it got this type. There's this type. That type. That's the name of it. In black and white. Even if your video is colored, they make it in black and white. I don't like this guy, but make a video like that. Okay, let's go. Next one. They make it simple. The words will be up top. And back at the beginning. Like Think Media. You make closed captions, just like that. With a different color. And you can change the colors of those highlighted words too. You don't have to be that green or yellow. But I think it looks good. So, yeah. How many people have done that? How many people went to Opus Clips and did a free short clips that you can upload to YouTube right now? Leave in the comment section. If you're not leaving in the comment section, I understand. You might not have been there five days yet. You might have done it already. But this is what I'm telling people that's in this community. If you want to do some shorts, do some shorts. You can get the free shorts. Yeah, free shorts. Go to Opus Clips. Put in the URL from the video. Get free clips. These clips are not going to have the logo of Opus Clips on there. But once those credits that they give you, the free credits that they give you, is going to be gone. It's going to be gone, and then their their logo will be on the videos. Some people upload with the logo on it. I don't like doing that, but hey, that's what it is. So if that's what you've done, leave in the comment section. If it helped you, leave in the comment section. If you say I already got Opus Clips, that's cool. Fine, it's cool. But I'm sharing it with people who don't have it. And the thing that we have now is let's go back up top. You get 30% off first month of the Pro plan. That's what I'm working with. So I paid for mine. I used the free ones as long as I could, but I don't like the logos on it. But you're part of my time. You get 30% off the first month. That's what's up. Pin to the top of the comment section. If you want it, fine. If you don't want it, it's cool. I'm just here to share with you what I'm doing, my experience, doing all these, shorts, posting the shorts, scheduling the shorts, scheduling your videos 30, 60, 90 days in advance. That takes the time. It gains you time to do whatever else you want to do with your day or your week. It takes away all that stress saying, oh, I got to make some videos and I got to make some shorts. I got to make some shorts. I got to make some videos. It helps you get that time or more free time to yourself.